Hello, I have another surprise for you. For this exotic mulberry, it's Pakistani, it's called Tute Pakistani. They grow very long. If you can make it close up, right now is started this fruiting about a week ago. 1 week ago, this didn't have anything, just a bare branch. Now it's starting. As soon as the leaves comes up, you see the fruit on it. Each one has a bunch like that. And they get very big. Right now they're green and they get as long as a cigarette, fatty like a cigarette. Then they are green. Then they become red. They become black. When it's black, ready to pick. As soon as you put your hand here, you just shake it a little bit, the bunch comes to your hand. It's very good, tasty, Tute Pakistani. This is one point that I like to make. I was in the hole inside the tree, by the way. And about the how which side is better to put the tree. It's very important. This doesn't written any books, any magazine, any information. This I just learned from my experience of the being in the orchard since I was 7 years old. Now I am above 70. So right now, if you look at it, this is bent, like going this way. How do I fix that? Look at the area to see this side is a fence, is a no sun attraction for this. Now the branch is going toward the sun. Most of the sign is from the sun is from this side. So you want to put exactly opposite. Like I lift this one up. Right now you look at the bent tree. Then I'm going to fix it up first of all. This is heavy. And turn it until, let me see, did I do right? It still needs more. Turn that branch. You think that branch is going to go that way, but since sun is hitting from this side, they're all going to come back toward this way that is away. Let me see. It's still more. It needs more. Okay. Right now this is going to be like that. Of course I have a stick to it to fix it with this stick, and I put this on here next to it and tie it. One more thing that I forgot to tell you in other areas, this pipe, you know what is this for? When you put a plant, you put this pot one this side, about a few inches above the ground of the tree, and you put one this side. And why I do that? Because you want the root system gets water, and you put the water hose water in that tube. This goes all the way to the root system, under the root. That's what you want, the moisture under the root and around, because always root travels toward the moisture. They love the moisture. Anywhere the moisture is, they go that way. And more roots, more branch, more flowers. More flowers, what? More fruit, of course. Okay.